We get many incidents at present where the person has given 3 talaqs, but he does not want to separate. Or they hide it, they conceal it, they don't let anybody know. They don't let anybody know. Now what is going to happen is that if they will have children of that relationship that they are now having, then those children will be illegitimate. Now when the children are illegitimate, then what kind of barakat they expect? Therefore you will notice all those people who have given their wives 3 talaqs, take it across the board. I've gone through many incidents in my 30 years that I'm involved with this type of work. All those who gave their wives 3 talaqs, and then they found some justification. They were given fatwas that this is haram, but they went to some mufti somewhere and gave some green notes or any kind of notes, I don't know, but somehow they got the fatwas and they remained. Or they did not reveal it. Then, no matter how much of reconciliation takes place, no matter how much of reconciliation takes place, but there will be an ongoing war until death in that home. Between husband and wife, 2 days they will be living happily, 3rd day again fight. 3 days they will be living happily, 4th day again fight. A few months happily and again fight. And it will just go on and on and on until the wife herself will say, I'm fed up and sick and tired of this husband of mine, or the husband will say, I'm sick and tired and fed up, but they will not divorce each other. But they are already divorced. They will not separate, but they have already been divorced. So that war and that fight will go on and on because they are living in haram. And then if, by the way, they also consider it permissible, then it is kufr. Like somebody gave 3 talaqs to his wife, and afterwards, when he was told 3 talaqs is 3 talaq, so he said, yeah, but I didn't know tajweed. I didn't learn tajweed. So I didn't say talaq. I didn't make qalqala on the talaq. I said talaq, talaq, talaq. So talaq with the ta means something else and with the ta means something else. So in talaq, there's no need for qalqalas and tajweed. Whether you give it with qalqala or you give it without qalqala, it is still talaq. So this is the thing, that hadith which says that the person's iman will be taken away. We must ask Allah Ta'ala for protection.